Hello, YouTube friends and family. We talking about the Family Dollar today. Okay, so I went in there. I'm doing a little project. That series is coming up, and it's like the closest store. You could go grab a little caulk, and it's the caulk there is actually cheaper than Home Depot. Not sure how it performs, because I wasn't the one caulking, but it was the closest place to get some. The caulk gun is probably a little cheaper than Home Depot. So, you know, those pennies. And as far as being close, don't forget Family Dollar for your, little quick household handy needs. However, while I'm in there, I'm like, squirrel, squirrel, all over the place. So, I saw these. They are beautiful. I don't know if you were aware. These are 3-pack journals. Make great additions to Mother's Day baskets. And they have patterns. See there? Phenomenal Woman. And, cute. Very cute. And this little pattern here. So these, and then they have this stack with a 3-pack. 1 month can't hold our history. And then the blanks can go for anything. So I bought a couple of those. Those were the only 2 patterns with the journals. The only 2. So I bought 2 of each of those because I have been, kind of picking up and writing stuff down lately. Because that is like, it's getting a little crazy up here. So they have an undated tab planner. Begin any month of the year. This is the cutest design. And this will make a great Mother's Day gift. Look like it says what? Root? No, it says Got Soul. Got Soul on it. And it is, don't forget to-do list, week of, month of. So even if you stop, you can pick it up the next month. I got 2 of those. Again, great additions to Mother's Day baskets. And I'm going to give you the price when I finish showing them to you. And here, you got this one. 1 month can't hold us down. And begin any month, undated. And you can just put like goals. So this is a cool planner. And the fact that it's undated, you could save these for next Christmas, anytime. These were half off. So run, don't walk to your Family Dollar. These were $2.50 each. These were $1.50 a pack. So 50 cents each journal makes for great gift baskets, door prizes at a baby shower, birthday baskets for the kids, next year's Easter baskets, things like that. This is what I say. I put this stuff up and I have it. And that's how I was able to crank out 4 Easter baskets in a few hours notice. And the kids loved them. So here's another stockpile item. And when I saw that, I was like, huh? What? Are you serious? These $1.25 tree are $1.25. Okay? They are good till November of this year, the end of November. Guess how much? 50 cents. So I just cleared the shelf. Clearing the shelf wasn't much because I bought what? 6, 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 of them. Cleared the shelf. 50 cents. We eat this all the time. I don't think I even have one of the large ones that I get from Sam's anymore right now. So that came in perfectly. And just because it says November 28th, I definitely eat them to the end of the year. If not in this time next year. It's potatoes. It'll be fine. Now they also have Easter clearance. Sad thing about it, I did not get my receipt. So some of these prices I do not know, but I'm sure for total for the potatoes and all the candy, it was $19.35. I do remember that. She gave me the wrong receipt, somebody else's receipt. And I didn't realize it till like hours later. But these, I'm thinking they were 50 cents. We can eat that all the time. These almond rokas, because they are in a red box with pink, I would think they were left over from Valentine's. However, they're pink. You know what they're going in? A Mother's Day basket. That's what they going in. And guess how much they were? 50 cents. So you see them on the shelf. And tomorrow they had a 5 off 25 coupon. So you see them on the shelf at your Family Dollar. Grab them up. I remember these being good. I haven't tasted them in years, but I remember them being pretty good candy. And I said, well, since they're only 50 cents, go get me some more. So I got 6 more, but I didn't clear the shelf. There was at least 10 more on the shelf. So I got 7 of these. 7 of these. I got 2 of the bunnies, which were probably 50 cents. I got 7 of the almond rokas. And this is our favorite candy here. So I think these were like $1, so they should have been 50 cents for the Reese's. You can't get a bag of Reese's for 50 cents right now. They're more like $1.19. So what if they shaped like a carrot? Get them for 50 cents. And the almond roka is good until it was some crazy date. It was so far away, I was like, really? Oh, here's the date. And hopefully you can see that. Okay, February 25th of 2024. So you could even get them next Valentine's Day. Child, y'all better get with the program. And then you got the chocolate bunny. I only grabbed 1 of these. I thought it was 2. But I only grabbed 1. Because they just milk chocolate with caramel. We're like a milk chocolate with nut family here. But we'll eat this too. No problem. And I don't know how much they were. They might have been $1. But that's a multi-pack. And let me see what it says on here. On here, you know, a good little snack. It says 3 pieces for a serving, so it's 12 in there. And here was the granddaddy of them all. And if you ask me, if your mama like these, you can throw this in her Easter basket. There is no bunny rabbits on here. It's just the colors. Peanut M&Ms. A 38-ounce bag, 2 freaking pounds and 6 ounces of M&Ms. $6. Now, if you not, and it was many on the shelf, but because they're regular 12 and they were on sale for 6, even at half price, M&Ms is bomb diggity in this house. So I already know they won't last, but for $6, that's like the equivalent, of something like 12 bags of M&Ms or 15 bags at $1.25 tree, because they are over $1 a pack. So this is how you get the goodies. Do not forget, check out your Easter clearances. Get your basket stuffers for next year for your kiddos and have it put away. Now the candy, like I said, candy ain't lasting in here. We can forget that. It is not lasting in here. But the other little goodies and stuffers and everything and decor and all that stuff, your basket grass, your baskets, all that's going to go on sale. Wait till the $5 grab boxes at Michael's. All that kind of stuff will get you those baskets done cheaper. So if you are a grandma watching me and you like to make, baskets for them 10 grandkids, get the stuff now and make all 10 happy. So I hope you like this video. I love to bring you these run deals. Check out your Family Dollar this weekend. Don't forget to download the app, clip the $5 off coupon, and see what they have left. I do thank you so much for watching. This is the Lazy HOA Gardener. Check out my gardening videos. I'm starting to plant those seeds, and I want you to join me. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Thank you so much for watching. I love you to life. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.